Hi guys, Taz here from Wheels Up, Boots On. I'm just sort of letting you know that I just bought some resin off of Amazon. This is it here. I've never bought this before, but I read the reviews and they seem quite good. So I haven't had a look inside yet. So what you get in the box is oh, lovely measuring cup side, so that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool, 10 cups. Oh, a spreader. That's good. So you get a spreader, which would be good because I'll need one of these for when I do the canvas. They're good for spreading the resin, so that's cool. Love gloves. I've always got 10 ton of these, as you can see there. So, but they're always handy. I needed some of these because I've run out. Oh, six pairs of gloves, and you get. Let me take out the plastic. You get micro powders and some gold leaf, some sparklies. These are the micro powders. Wow, that's good. Actual thingy, and it is nearly 2 litres per one. Get rid of the box. Yeah, that's it. Wow, that's not bad. Now, I got this on a good deal with Amazon. I got all of this. It would have been £71, and then when I went to put the total in, it said like a voucher for a further £20 off, so which I thought was really good. And it's a ratio of 1:1. There's no toxics, everyone, easy to use for everyone, crystal clear, no pungent smell, no anti-yellowing, and self-leveling. So it says 8-hour dry and 24 hours cure. Yeah, very happy for all that for £51. I will leave the link in the description in the thing after this video, and I will then start doing a few topics and a few things using this, and I'll let you know how I get on with it. So time will tell. But thanks guys anyway. So just come along with me. Any comments, leave below, and if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, please, because it doesn't cost anything. It's my own videos and that, and I paid for all this myself, so there's nobody's asked me to do it. But I just thought I'd let you guys know. Okay, thanks. Take care. Bye bye.